Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a look on this look that you see right here. It's a nice, beautiful holiday glam, but more on the natural side. So I didn't use any false lashes or eyeliner, or not too much eyeliner on. I did use a little bit, so. I kept it very natural. So if you guys do like more of a natural holiday makeup, this is the video for you. If you guys do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe.
I'm watching it.
So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look right here, keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. I'm going to pick it up with my IT Cosmetics brush. And normally I would do my eyes first, but since I'm looking for a more natural look, I find that it is much faster if I do my face first. Now I'm going to take my Nars concealer and I'm going to apply that all throughout under my eyes as well as the center of the face to brighten it up. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to apply that everywhere where I applied my concealer. I usually do not apply too much of this just because I'm more on the dry side, so I don't want to look cakey. Now I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer and I'm going to apply that all on the jawline as well as the corners of my face to give me some more color because I am pale as fuck. Now I'm going to take the MAC blush in the shade Warm Soul, and this is one of my all-time favorite colors. And I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks and kind of connecting it outwards towards the bronzer to give me a little more color because, yeah, I do need it. I need it, people. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this shade by MAC in the shade Saddle. And I'm going to apply that all throughout my crease and pretty much blending that out as much as possible so it's not harsh at all. It's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to take some concealer to cut the crease a little bit, and normally I'll just apply it and then look up, and that's where I know when to stop. And yeah, I'll just blend it out with my finger a little bit so it's nice and soft. This is going to give the color a little extra intensity. Now I'm going to take the shade All That Glitters by MAC as well, which is this beautiful color here. And I'm going to apply that everywhere where I applied my concealer and just blend it out very softly. Again, this is a very soft look. It's not supposed to look super intense. Then with the same brush that we used to do the crease earlier and the same color, I'm just going to define that shade a little bit more and blend those colors a little bit more together so it's not harsh and you see a nicer transition basically. And then I'm going to apply that same shade all throughout my lower lash line. Now for brows, I'm using the Kat Von D Signature Brow, and I'm going to begin by defining the edges of the brows as well as blending it out with the brush so it's nice and smooth, nice and soft. For mascara, I'm using the Clinique High Impact, and basically I'm just gonna apply mascara. I'm not gonna do any false lashes. Again, this is supposed to be a very soft, simple, easy, natural look. So if you guys are into that, then again, this is the video for you. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I'm using a brown shade so it is more natural. I'm gonna do my whole tight line so you don't see any extra skin, as well as the lower line. Now for highlight, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown, and I love this beautiful shade right here. It's very natural and skin-like. I'm going to apply that all throughout my high points of the cheeks, as well as down the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow, underneath my brow bone, just to highlight certain areas throughout my face. Now for our final step, lipstick, I'm using the shade Kinda Sexy by MAC, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. Don't forget to spray yourself with a little hydration. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. A very soft, neutral makeup look. Great for people who don't want to wear a lot of makeup. But yeah, pretty much this is it. If you guys like, please like and subscribe. Bye.